Hello all. Let us see auxiliary verbs can or could and may, might or must. Can is used to express ability. I can make jewelry. He can't speak French. Can you open the jar? Can is used to ask permission. Can is used to make requests or suggestions. Can I have more napkins? Could is a past form of can. Describes an ability that someone had in the past. I could swim when I was young. It is often used in auxiliary functions to express permission politely. Could I take this jacket with me? Could is used to express possibility. All of them could ride in the van. You could always stay at our house. That's about the can and could. Next, may. It is used to ask for formal permission. May I come in? May is used to suggest something that is possible. She may agree with this plan. Might is a past form of may, used to suggest a smaller possibility than may does. He might have finished it. I might go see a doctor. Must, used to express something formally required or necessary. I must complete the project by this week. Used to show that something is very likely. He must be genius. According to the situation, you must use can, could, may, might, must. Please exercise the quiz. Thank you.